Alright guys, so if you're watching this video, I probably don't need too much explanation, but if you're looking at this and you know pan cars, you know where you're looking at for the most part. So this is a very special car in two ways. We'll get into the second way in a minute. So this is a Bolink quick change conversion kit for the pan cars, which is this part here. You can see the bottom is cut out. So what you do is there's a little in the front here. There's a little handle here. Get my little fingers in there. So when you go into the pits, you just pull this and you change the battery, you release it, and you're off. And it makes contact up there, and you're good to go. So it's a quick change battery car slash chassis. Very rare, very hard to come by. But the coolest part is this is one of Kent Clausen's personal vehicles. So if you know anything about any of his cars, he raced a lot with Tide bodies. So he dyed a lot of his cars this neon color, all the white parts neon. There's his name right there. And if you might have noticed underneath when we were looking at the bottom, we got a little signature there. So I got this from him personally, so I know it is the real deal car. He actually added all these stickers for me before he shipped it, including the one with his name. It's pretty cool. Obviously it's missing the whole back pod area, but obviously the main part of this car is that quick change system, which is really neat. And there's the spring. Get my hand in there, see how it works. Pretty cool, simple system for the most part. Got the carbon fiber brace in the front there. So there it is. Kent Clausen's, one of Kent Clausen's personally owned pan cars, which was an extra special quick change chassis. So there you go, guys. Bolink conversion, which is this section here, and this is a factory associated chassis, but Bolink made these kits, and I actually will show you that I have another one of these kits that I will show you soon enough. Stay tuned. So just take a little more time on this car just to show you. There was also another conversion, I think it was Composite Craft, that also did a quick change conversion kit. So there you go, guys. Let's get a nice little view right here. Alright guys, well I hope you really enjoyed this one, and we will be back soon enough. Take it easy.